with the game of basketball boys secondary level to the player between the Iloilo Police and the 3rd Congressional District. So give a round of applause to our athletes and players from the Iloilo Police. Starting off with jersey number 1, Rose John Elijah Luke. Jersey number 3, Lionel Ace Maestral. Jersey number 8, Paul Jovan Santome. Jersey number 13, Russell Khalid Puga. Jersey number 15, Mixon Ray Ondiake. Jersey number 21, Kyle Nino Sardon. Jersey number 29, Rayo John Dorovilla. Jersey number 30, Iris John Makatandang. Jersey number 42, John Ray Alarcon. Jersey number 44, Sean Arnold Gumela. And jersey number 51,